Welcome to lesson 16. In this lesson, I want to talk a little bit about pricing, of what things cost us and what we need to charge, and then show a little bit about profit margins. So if we go straight to the DeWalt 20 volt impact driver that we have already created, there's a pricing tab where we can control how much we want to charge to rent this item out. So the cost column is going to be what it cost us. So in this instance, we own this item, so it cost us $0. And we would like to rent this out for $10. And then we can just check if we would like to have day rates, if we would want to have just a flat charge, which would be each, or if we want to have week rates, which would be 3 times the day rate. So that's how you control the pricing of this item. But if we did like a utility tech under labor, we can go to pricing and we will say that we would like to charge $250 a day, but that particular service cost us $200 per day. So then if we drag that over to our quote, we can now see that we have a utility tech and we're charging $250 for that person. If I were to change this to say $150, then it's going to turn red saying that we're charging less than it cost us to provide this service. So I can just change that back to $250. And then in the very top here in this tab, we have the profit/margin tab where we can see our profit margins of every single item. This is only accurate if you have your cost and your pricing put in there semi-accurately. So in this instance, this is pretty accurate for my utility tech. So it's saying it cost me $200 per day. I'm charging $250 per day, and I have a profit of $50. So my profit margin is 20%. You can also expand the bottom to get overall margins, or on the right side, you can hit generate PDF and create a PDF of your entire show showing your profit margins.